Hello. So friends, here is Vivek Singh again with another short video. This is my third in this series of short videos. This time Raja Kumar ji has asked me to talk in brief about project quality plan and its important, to which we also call quality assurance plan. Right? Quality assurance plan is a wider, broader term, and project quality plan pertains to some project. Right? So, today we will be talking about project quality plan. In simple terms, it's a plan. It's a plan of how you are going to execute the quality of the project. How will you make the project a quality project? You can refer to my YouTube channel on quality project. Anyway, so project quality plan is a plan, that's what I said, to achieve good quality. But before that, we should understand what the quality is. Friends, in a project, there are three things important for the quality of the project. One is money, one is time, and one is the specification or the product. Now, here it can be a product, it can be a service. Let me use the word product for both of them, for the product and services, right? So, when you make a product, you have to follow a process of mixing something, breaking something, taking out something, adding something, whatever. But there must be a process, then only a product will be formed. Do you agree with me? I hope you will. So, there is a process. There is a direct process which goes into making of the product, which ends up in making up a project. But there are many sub-processes involved in that. And there are many supporting processes involved in that. Like, say I take example from construction, since I am a construction person. So, if it is concreting a process, then concreting can be in foundations, concreting can be in columns, concreting can be in superstructures, concreting can be in other type of structures also. So, there are so many sub-processes. Why I am calling them sub-processes? Because all of the type of concrete requires maybe different design of concrete, mix, different type of mixing it, different type of transportation it from the batching plant to the place of pouring, right? So, they become some sub-processes of the process called concreting. And then there are supporting processes. In my last short video, I have told you that how procurement, surveying, storage, planning, which I missed that time, planning, the scheduling, monitoring, all these become important to get the right product in the right time and within the right money. Isn't it? These three things, remember. So, there are so many processes, and a project quality plan is again a plan like any other plan. When we start a project, we plan for these 4 M's: man, material, machine, money. So, these 4 things we plan: the cash flow, the machines, not only the machines necessary to make the right product, but also the machine with required capacity to attain that product, to make that product within the stipulated time, because any project is a time-bound entity. This is a very essential part of the definition of project, right? And then we always have a fixed budget for a project. We cannot exceed it, all right? So, there are so many things. One machine is similarly material, from where it will come. Where are we going to get the right type of material in right time and whenever I need it? That's a part of planning. Then manpower, how much, how many of which kind, which level, their trainings, and so many things, and their placements. Of course, the chart that who will work where and what, right? So, all this planning, the quality is also planned. Only difference is that the project quality plan contains all these plans. I repeat, project quality plan contains your scheduling, method of scheduling, your method of monitoring, your method of concreting, your method of purchase, your method of storage, your method of billing, your method of quantity surveying, and whatever is required. So a project quality plan is a book which contains all the plans. It's a set of procedures. A project quality plan is a set of procedures. All the processes and their procedures are written in one place in a project, and that place is called project quality plan. And it is important so that all the stakeholders of the project are very clear with the objectives of the project, not only clear but have uniform clarity. What I understand about the objective of the project is the same as my colleague understands about the objective of the project, right? So project quality plan is actually a leadership document, right? The primary purpose of leadership, to have a uniform direction of the team. This plan gives that, because I know when I read a quality plan, I don't only know that what I have to do, I also know that what others are doing so as to achieve the objective which I am targeting. So where I have to coordinate with other stakeholders or other processes, that is all given in the same document called project quality plan. As I told, quality assurance plan is a wider term. Project quality plan is project specific, right? That's the only difference. But they are essentially the same thing. Now, when it comes to quality control, that is again a process, and that process is mentioned in form of inspection and test plan in the project quality plan or quality assurance plan. Inspection and test plan defines the process of quality control checks. How many tests, when, who will do it, and what is the tolerance and what is expected out of it. What is the acceptance limit? So that is ITP. Then it is not limited to that. All the procedures, all the processes have got their own procedures and work method statements. How the work will be conducted is written in a document, and that is called work method statement. Each and every work, whether the so-called internal processes or the so-called external or client interfacing processes. And there is a myth that there is something like internal process and client interfacing processes. No, my friends, it's not like that. It depends upon clients. Sometimes they do not interfere into few things. They only focus on certain part of your quality plan. But an internal process like purchase also affects their work, the quality which we are going to deliver to the person, to the client who is paying me. So he has got all the rights to interfere and know about it, that how you are purchasing, from whom you are purchasing. Not only this, your internal audits, they are called internal. Internal because there are 3 types of audit, but not internal because you are not, supposed to show it to the client or not supposed to tell it to the client. There are clients who want to know that what kind of internal audits you are doing, what is the outcome, and what are your actions against them. What have you done to improve the thing, the findings of the audit? Because it is your audit or whatever way you are is affecting their product, right? Asha. Now, other than set of procedures, quality plan also tells you how to check, control, as I said, and how to improve, right? How to find out what is wrong and how to improve. The procedures of that also. That is because that is also a process. So it's a set of processes written in and kept in one place so that everybody can know about the project as a whole, the planning of the project as a whole, right? It's not so that planning department is not mentioned, is not covered in project quality plan. They are also covered. If you see, it's not only the quality of the product which is ensured by project quality plan or which is the objective of the project quality plan. It's the quality of the process, each and every process, which is going to affect my product in a project in terms of time, money, and specifications. It's a short video. I hope I have been able to communicate my understanding of project quality plan, what it means. I have not got into details that what are the paragraphs and columns. Hope you have understood. Please give me your feedback. Thank you very much.